Hello and bah humbug. Today we'll be making Labneh or Lebni, which is also called Kefir cheese. It has the consistency of cream cheese but with more of a tart flavor. Next week we'll take this same batch and turn it into hard Labneh, which is more the consistency of feta cheese. First you will need a bowl and a cheesecloth. My city used to use a pillowcase. Add half a batch of leaven. Link to that recipe in the description and in the top right corner. Or you can just use half a gallon of yogurt. Tie the cheesecloth to something straight like a spoon and hang it over a large pot. Place the pot in a dark, cool place and let it hang for 12 to 72 hours. If you're making it during the summertime, you should only let it hang at room temperature for 12 hours. If it's spring or fall, you can cover the pot and set it outside for up to 72 hours. If it's wintertime, you can cover the pot and set it next to a window for up to 48 hours. The ideal temperature is 45 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a temperature controlled room where I set 2 different batches at 55 degrees. The first batch is the one we are doing today, which sat for 65 hours. The other batch I will let hang for about a week to 10 days to make hard Lebni. I'll post an update video of the hard Lebni in 7 to 10 days. Or if you're watching from the future, there's probably a link in the top right corner or the description. After the cheese has been hanging for 12 to 72 hours, remove it from the cheesecloth. It's traditionally spread on a dish and garnished with extra virgin olive oil, herbs, spices, and sometimes pickled vegetables. I've garnished mine with some sumac, fresh mint, and a few olives. I used to sell it on my menu as Lebni arus, which is where you roll it up in mar'uk bread, also known as mountain bread or handkerchief bread. Arus actually means bride's finger. I'm guessing because of the way it's shaped. I also used to sell hummus arus and baba ganoush arus. Try saying that 3 times really fast. And on that note, thanks for watching everyone. Goodbye, good night, and as always, bah humbug.